Bro, fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
Cover going out. Shut down. The hunt begins.
You're stupid, bro.
We just wait this out and I'll smoke CT.
Yeah, I can be fun after.
He's definitely blowing our fucking.
Watch it, watch for me, watch it.
Cover going out.
Standing ahead.
Shadows traveling.
Spike down. B. No more.
Face is landing.
Get the ball, retard!
Oh, fuck.
Ball!
Rip and tear.
Wait, I've got intent, I've got intent.
Reloading.
Firewall.
I'm flashing back, I'm flashing back.
Placing wall trap. Blinding dead. Thorns activated. One enemy remaining.
Nah, we're goated, no, we're goated. I thought it was gonna be like some geometry. I thought it was in geometry. I was gonna hit it bam bam, but like it didn't.
Do the standard one, please.
Bruh. My fault. Nah. That was actually my bad, bro. That, bro. That was my bad, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Bro, fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
Cover going out.
Shut down.
The hunt begins.
So you want to drone and try and hold here?
Yeah.
He's not that good.
Take flight.
Alright, bro.
On the right, Bucky.
Let's cut noise and we'll get it.
Oh.
Fucking useless player, bro.
I'm sure about
Last place.
Shadows traveling.
Rip and tear. Enemy spotted. Thorns are live.
So Suffer came here.
30 seconds left.
During one, hold up.
Not ready yet. Standing ahead.
One enemy remaining.
Heaven.
I have line, just wait.
Nice. Holy shit. Fucking sat on.
Ability, dedication, time.
Bro, I followed the sound of her ult.
Give me another thing. Who's ult?
The Reyna. When you.
Oh,
Here.
I think Sylvan will make it find you guys. Joking.
I have my move.
Need a drop. Thank you.
So you want to drone and try and hold here?
yeah.
He's not that good.
Take flight.
Alright, bro.
On the right, Bucky.
Reloading.
Let's cut noise and we'll get it.
Oh.
Fucking useless player, bro.
I'm sure about
placed.
Shadows travel.
Bring it.
Enemy spotted. Drones are live.
Good Sepher came here.
30 seconds left.
During one, hold up.
Ult ready. Scanning ahead. One enemy remaining.
Heaven.
I have line, just wait.
Nice. Holy shit. Fucking sat on.
Ability, dedication, time.
Bro, I followed the sound of her ult.
Give me another phantom. Who's ult?
No, Reyna. When you
Oh,
you hear.
I think Sylvan will be behind you guys. Jimmy.
I have my move.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Shock dart.
Here. Launching thorns. Thorns are live.
wait, can you trip our flank?
Not really, I don't really want to.
For that?
He dropped in,
One flank. Flank.
Yeah, I can kill it.
Deploying drone.
Wait. Just hold it.
Bomb posted on boxes.
No!
Standing.
105.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, low as fuck too. I hit them so fucking low. Holy shit, I'm a fucking god. Holy fuck, dude. My Silva gameplay is actually crazy right now. I'm like Sinatra. Give me another phantom. Hey, Reyna 105 and Clove 111.
I am reading 156.
Cap.
I'm shooting in the fucking head.
I hate you.
Wait.
You gotta do that Phoenix shit, bro. You haven't done it in a long time, bro.
Shock dart.
Here. Launching thorns. Thorns are live.
Wait, can you trip our